My name is Singh, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 30 of DBMS question sets day 8. And once again I will be using the same scenario of question set 16, so that would be our setting, and the same set of data which was used in question set 18. Moving on, today's main focus will be question set 30. So the first question would be find the number of letters in the full name of all the students in grade 11. So this would be the 11 query for the first question. We have taken the length of the first term, and then we have derived the length of the last name, and we have added both of the lengths. And we have derived the first name and the last name from this table, the the student table. It's the table that contains all names. Let's execute the query. So this would be our answer. Let's move on to the second question. Find the number of letters in the word Sinhala language and literature. Let's execute it as well. So we have derived the answer as 29. Let's go to the third question. Find the number of letters in the full name of all grade 11 A students. This should be our third query. As we did in the first query, we have derived the lengths and we have added them. Moving on, we have inner join the student table with the class table, so we can filter all names of 11 A students. So let's execute our query. As you can see, we have derived this set of answers: 14, 23, 11, and 17. Let's go to the next question. Fourth question. Prepare the first name of all grade 11B students in capital letters. So this would be the relevant query for the fifth question. We have converted the specific first name to the uppercase using this keyword upper. For that, we have inner joined the student table with the student exam, the class table, so we can filter the names relevant to the mentioned class 11B. I will execute the query. This should be our answer: Madara in capital letters, Kasumi in capital letters, Amila and Sansara as well. Let's move on to the sixth question. So the fifth question, the previous one was the fourth question, my apologies. And the fifth question, find the names of all the subjects in simple letters. So we have to convert all the, names of the all subjects, all the names of the, get the output in simple letters, the names of all the subjects in simple letters. We have selected the subject name from this table. Let's execute the query. As you can see, move on to the last question, the sixth question. Find the average AVG of marks obtained by Ananda Moses, a student in grade 11A, in both examinations for the subject science. So to find our average mark, we have used the keyword AVG. Then we have inner join student table with the student exam mark record table. Then we have inner join the class table in order to filter 11A students. And then we have inner join the subject table, inner join marks relevant to the subject science. And this would be our condition part. We have given the first name as Amanda and the last name as Moses, the class name as 11A, and lastly the subject name as science. Let's execute it as well. So we have derived the answer as 80, and this would be the end of the discussion of questions at 30 as well, and thank you.